In this video, I'll show you how to clone a repository from GitHub. First, sign into your GitHub account and open the repository you want to clone. Next, click the code button near the top of the repository page. Choose whether you want to clone the repository using HTTPS, SSH, or GitHub CLI, then copy the repository URL. Now, open your terminal or command prompt and navigate to the folder where you want to save the repository. Run the git clone command, followed by the repository URL you copied. Press enter, and Git will download the repository to your computer. After that, move into the project folder by running the cd command followed by the repository name. You can now open the project in your favorite code editor and begin working with the files. Finally, if you plan to contribute to the project, make your changes, commit them with Git, and push your updates to GitHub when you're ready. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to clone a repository from GitHub. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.